Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Microsoft Office Professional 2016 to Office 365 Enterprise or Professional. So let's say you've installed Office 2016 on your device. I'm going to show you how to convert this to Office 365. So if I go to my start menu here, you can see that I have the Office 2016 installed on this device. There's the Office 2016. You can see that's the Outlook 2016. So what I need to do is, let me just close that and then go to my start menu again. And then here I'm going to open and just select Excel, or you can do this in Word or Outlook as well. But just open Office so that I can show you how to activate your license. So if I open Office, it's going to ask me to enter my product key. So because I don't have the product key here, if I try to just click for the help file, it's going to take me to the internet browser. So I'm just going to cancel. Yeah, just an example of the product of how the product key look like. But let me just close that or minimize it, and then close the enter the product key. Then open a workbook. Here you can see that it gives me a product notice that my Office or Excel is going to expire within some days. So what you will need to do here, if you click activate, it will ask you to actually enter your product key. So don't click the activate button, just go to file. Here on our file, we have to go to account. Here in account, you see we have the activation required. So it says so these are the products that are installed, and it's going to tell you the day which this product is going to expire as well. So what we need to do right now is, if you look at the date there, you look at the date, which means that within like 3 or 4 days, this product is going to expire. So to actually activate Office, just click the activation required. Here you can see it gives me two options. Either I can sign in, or I can create an account. So I already have an Office 365 account. So what I need to do is just to click sign in. And here I'm going to enter my Office 365 account, which I'm going to use the kelvin.johnson at kelvglobal.com, and then click next. So you'll be required to enter your password to verify that you own this account. So enter your Office 365 password and then click sign in. So it says stay signed in to all your apps. Just click OK. So here it's saying that more information are required because a multi-factor authenticator has been configured in my environment, so it's going to actually require me to do just that. But if that is not the case for you, definitely you don't need to do this. It's just going to sign you on, and you can use Office. But I'm just going to use the opportunity to show you how to configure the Office with the multi-factor authenticator on your device. So I want to choose a different account here, and then I'm going to use, you have the authenticator app or the phone. I'm going to use the phone. So just click confirm, then select the country where you came from, which is Belgium, and then enter your phone number. Then click verified, and then we click next. But I've configured a two type of multi-factor authenticator, so we have to actually choose. I can decide to just use and scan the QR code, but I don't have that right now. Let me just use a different method. So I'm going to use an email address. Click confirm, and I enter a valid email address, which of course after you enter that email address, a code will be sent to that email address for you to verify that you own that email address. So enter the right email address, and here I'm going to use my kjocomputers at gmail.com, and then click next. So here we're going to use the code which was sent to our email address. So enter that code that was sent to you and click next. And here you can see use Windows Hello with your account. So just click OK, and we can now sign into our Office 365. Here you can see you are all set. We have added your account successfully. So just click done. And after clicking done, you may still see the activation required. But what you need to do is say Office is ready. Just what you need to do is you have to just go back, then close Office, then restart your device. So when you restart your device, I'm going to pause this video and then continue when the computer just restarted fully. So, but when you start your device, go to your start menu and then open Excel. So Excel is trying to open right now. So if I open Excel and I go to my workbook, you can see that it's registered with my name. And I go to my workbook here. Now I'm not receiving any notification that Office is about to expire. So if I go to File, Account, here you can see that my subscription product has now changed to the Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus. So it changes just because I actually entered my Office 365 account, which of course I have an E5 account with Microsoft. So if you don't have an E5 account or E3 account, definitely it's not going to work. If you're using an E1 account, it's not going to work. So let me just go to programs and feature and show you that I was having Office 2016 there before. Right now it has changed automatically to Office 365 Pro Plus, as you can see. So if I decided to unsign out or sign out of that Office 365, oh, definitely this is going to change to Office 2016 again. Here you can see that if you scroll down, you can see that my apps are still saying that I have Office 2016 on my device, but at the same time, you can see I have Outlook 2016. But if you look at um my programs and feature, it says that I have Office 365 Pro Plus. Why? Because I sign in with the Office 365 Pro Plus. So that's how easy it is to actually change from Office 365 Pro Plus to Office 2016 to Office 365 Pro Plus. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related